Have you ever wanted to start your own graphic design business? We're gonna go over some great tips for you to start in this video. You can see in this graph where I started to implement this technique that I'm gonna be talking about in this video. It's right where it was going very, very low clients, low income for a while, and then when I started implementing this specific tool, it just tripled my income, my clients, and it just has been going up since that point. This applies to any type of graphic designer, whether you're just coming out of college and you're looking for a job, or you are wanting to start your own business. This is for you. And be sure to stick around till the end for a secret tool that I'm gonna share with you. There is a question which has been asked a bunch of times. Should you generalize as a graphic designer, or should you specialize? This means, should you offer your services to everyone, everywhere, or should you focus on one specific service or one specific area and become the best in that area? I'm gonna ask you a question about a subject that is totally disrelated to graphic design, but you can see how it applies. If you had something going on with your foot and you needed a surgery on it, or you needed some specialist, would you go to a general doctor who knew everything about the body but didn't really know a specialization in feet? Or would you go to someone who knew every little bit about feet and could give you all the questions and solve your problems? You'd probably go with the guy who specialized in feet, right? Well, the same applies to graphic design. If there's somebody who wants to have some amazing logo, are they gonna go to somebody who does package design and brochures as a specialization? Or are they gonna find somebody who's really, really good at logos and that is their expertise? You probably have an area that you love to work in. Either you love working with a specific industry or you love working on a specific type of project. Now, you are going to find that this is gonna make your job as a designer marketing your services so much easier because you're gonna find your exact ideal client. You're gonna figure out what type of person do I want to design for. Whether you choose to only do logos, there's gonna be a specific type of person that you want to market your services to, or that naturally magnetizes to your style. Or if you love working with, let's say, the beauty industry and you love doing package design for them and promotion for them, then you know your target audience is the people who are selling beauty products. This makes it so much better that you can find and hone your craft in one area and go and become the expert and the go-to person for that whole field. You're gonna be able to then market to them, solve their problems, find out everything that they need help with. This is a key component to then lay out your content marketing strategy, because you can just give them tips and tools and show your best work in this area. You can then create websites for that and go into Facebook groups and communities and talk and podcasts, and it's endless what you can then do once you hone in on who is your target audience. And that doesn't mean that you're not gonna then go into other areas. That's the cool thing about this, is when you specialize in an area, people will see that you are an expert and they're gonna assume that you're experts in other parts of design as well. So you may be getting people coming then from other industries or asking for other types of design, and if you want to, you can absolutely service them. But you're gonna be known as the expert on X, Y, or Z, whatever you decide. The cool thing about having a specific niche as well is 80% of your clients are going to be recurring clients. So you become amazing at what you do in that field, and they'll keep coming back and they'll refer you to new clients who will then turn into recurring clients, and it'll continue to snowball just like that. And I have a downloadable guide for you that is a survey to help you find out what is your target niche, what area do you want to focus on. So it's in the description below, so be sure to check it out. The bonus tool I mentioned at the beginning is Pinterest. You need to use this for inspiration so that you stay on the edge of different design trends. But there's another very interesting way to use Pinterest. You pick a topic, let's say your niche is real estate. You type in the search bar at the top of your Pinterest browser, type in real estate. Pinterest is then going to suggest a bunch of keyword phrases, and you choose the one that is at the top and you go and you write a blog on that. And then you write the blog on your website, you make an image with those keyword phrases on that image, you post it on your Pinterest, and you will be getting traffic to your website. And you know that people are searching for that topic. They're searching those keywords because Pinterest showed you those are the most searched for keywords. So then you're going to be getting traffic to your site without you having to pay for it, without you having to do anything except write that blog and pin it to your Pinterest board. Super simple, but you could do this every week or every day, and imagine the amount of traffic you're not even going to have to really work that hard on to get. So make sure you do take advantage of this really powerful tool that not everybody knows about. Well, okay, that's all I have for you today. Be sure to subscribe below if you enjoyed this content and share with your friends. I want to make sure that you're taking advantage of this time right now to set up your graphic design business for profitability, for growth, and for expansion. So thanks a lot for sticking around till the end, and I'll see you next time.